Hello viewers, welcome back to Santosha's kitchen. Today we are going to cook this quick evening snack recipe. Add this butter. I added this ginger garlic butter there. You can get it in any supermarkets. And these are 4 beaten eggs added to this butter, and I'm just trying to scramble this egg there. And you can cook this in high flame and don't let it burn at the bottom. That's the only key, and I did not add anything else as of now. Just trying to cook this beaten egg along with this butter. And already this butter contains garlic in it, so that gives you a nice aroma. Now you have to be ready with chopped onions and add those chopped onions to this beaten and scrambled egg along with the butter. And we are not going to deep roast it. It would look and taste very nice if it is not completely roasted. So I'm just trying to mix this chopped onions which we have added to this beaten egg. And if you are interested, you can add ginger garlic paste to this, but I am not doing it. So I'm just adding red chili powder and 1.5 tablespoon of salt and 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder to this, and then we will toss it carefully. And while we are tossing this, you can also see 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder there added to this. And while we are cooking this, you can do this in high flame, and these raw onions will almost half boiled while we do this. And see, I'm adding bhel, murmura in Telugu. So adding this bhel to this egg scramble with onions and toss it carefully so that these bhel, and you can turn the stove off, or you can completely lower it or completely switch off the flame. We don't need the flame here, already it's done. So we are just trying to mix these bhel. And if you notice, this bhel was not soaked in water. I added directly to this, and this bhel will become a little bit soft once you add it. And I need more bhel to this. So another bowl of bhel which we have added, and tossing it carefully with all the red chili powder, turmeric powder and salt and scrambled egg. Now okay, look at that texture after switching on the light. Now what I'll do is I will add little bit more raw onion to this, which gives very nice and crispy taste while you take a bite into your mouth. And add these raw onions after turning this flame off, so that that raw onion flavor while eating along with these evening snacks. And don't forget to add coriander, chopped coriander to this, which gives lovely flavor, color, taste, everything. Look at that, how beautiful it is. So see you next time. Bye bye.